Using Paysafecard is simple and convenient for making online payments without the need for a bank account or credit card. Here's how to use Paysafecard. Purchase a Paysafecard. Visit a local store or authorized vendor that sells Paysafecard vouchers. Choose the desired amount of prepaid credit you wish to purchase. Receive voucher. After purchasing the Paysafecard voucher, you will receive a printed voucher or a digital code. Select payment option. When making a purchase online, choose Paysafecard as the payment method at the checkout. Enter voucher details. Enter a 16-digit PIN code from your Paysafecard voucher when prompted during the checkout process. Complete transaction. Once you've entered a PIN code, the transaction will be processed and the payment amount will be deducted from the balance on your Paysafecard voucher. Track balance. You can keep track of your remaining balance and transactions by visiting the Paysafecard website or using the Paysafecard app.